We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, this is Bhumika from ATMIYA Institute of Technology and Science for Diploma Studies, RAJKOT. Let us learn today what are layout managers in Java. Now let me explain first what is the meaning of layout manager. Now AWT ma different components are there and different containers are there. For example, frame, panel, applet are the containers in which we can put different components like buttons, text fields, text areas, checkbox, radio button, list box, combo box, etc. Now these components are used to get the data from user. હવે જ્યારે આ કમ્પોનન્ટ્સને આપણે કન્ટેનરમાં મૂકીએ ત્યારે કઈ પેટર્નમાં મૂકવા તેના માટે લેઆઉટ મેનેજર્સનો યુઝ થાય છે. That means layout managers are used to arrange the component in a specific manner in container. હવે જ્યારે કન્ટેનરની સાઇઝ શેપ ચેન્જ થાય ત્યારે આ કમ્પોનન્ટ્સના સાઇઝ અને શેપ ઓટોમેટિક ચેન્જ થઈ જાય છે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ એડવાન્ટેજ ઓફ લેઆઉટ મેનેજર્સ. નાઉ લેઆઉટ મેનેજર્સ છે એ બધા java.awt પેકેજમાં છે and these all layout managers are in the form of classes. So here basically 4 layout managers are there: flow layout, border layout, grid layout and card layout, and these all 4 layout managers are in the form of classes in package java.awt. Now to set any layout manager in your program, you need to call setLayout method. The setLayout method is used to set any type of layout manager in your program. હવે આ મેથડનો પ્રોટોટાઇપ છે void setLayout and the object of any layout manager. એટલે જે લેઆઉટ મેનેજર તમારે તમારા કન્ટેનરમાં સેટ કરવું હોય એનો ઓબ્જેક્ટ તમારે આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટમાં આપવું પડે. Now it is not compulsory to call this method. If you will not call this method, then the default layout manager will be used. Now જાવામાં flow layout જે છે એ default layout manager છે. So this is the basic about layout managers. Now let us learn these all 4 in detail. First is the flow layout. Now as shown in the diagram, flow layout ની અંદર components છે એ કઈ રીતે ગોઠવાશે. Now very first I clarify that flow layout is the default layout manager. That means if you will not call setLayout method, then flow layout will be arranged automatically. Now in flow layout, components will be arranged from left to right and top to bottom. Now components છે એ લેફ્ટ થી રાઈટ થી ઓર સેન્ટરમાંથી મુકાવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ થશે. જ્યારે એક રો ભરાઈ જશે અને જગ્યા નહીં હોય ત્યારે કમ્પોનન્ટ્સ છે એ એની નીચેની લાઇનમાં અરેન્જ થશે. નાઉ બધા જ કમ્પોનન્ટ વચ્ચે હોરિઝોન્ટલી અને વર્ટિકલી થોડી સ્પેસ ઓટોમેટિક છોડાઈ જશે. Now to create the flow layout, 3 constructors are available. The first is the blank constructor. It will create the default layout with center alignment. Now here second is create the flow layout with variable how. Now how will specify that the components will be arranged from which side, from left side, from right side or from center. So to give the argument, here 3 inbuilt variables are available: flow layout.left, flow layout.center and flow layout.right. એટલે આ ત્રણેય વેરિયેબલ તમે આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટમાં ત્રણમાંથી કોઈ બી એક પાસ કરી શકો અને એને અકોર્ડિંગ કમ્પોનન્ટ્સ છે તે લેફ્ટ સાઇડથી, રાઇટ સાઇડથી ઓર સેન્ટરમાંથી મુકાવવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ થશે. Now along with that, one constructor is also available in which you are able to give the space you want to left between the components in horizontal and vertical direction. એટલે અહીંયા કોમ્પોનન્ટ્સની વચ્ચે સપોઝ આ બે બટન છે એની વચ્ચે હોરિઝોન્ટલી અને વર્ટિકલી કેટલી સ્પેસ રાખવી છે એ પણ આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટમાં આપી શકાય. સો ધીસ 3 કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટર્સ આર અવેલેબલ that you can use in set layout method. Now let us create the flow layout. Now as shown in the screen, flow layout create કર્યું છે મેં applet માં. Now as it is the applet program, write the applet tag. Now I have 3 components, one label, one text field and one button. Now in init method, I have called set layout method. Now in set layout method, it will take one argument of layout manager object. So here, out of 3 constructors, I have used this constructor with argument flow layout dot left. That means components will start to arrange from left side. Now here I have created the label, text field and button, and these components are added into applet using the add method. Now let us compile this program. Open your command prompt. Compile the program. Java C. It is flow.java. Now run the command with applet viewer command. As you have created the components in applet container. Is applet viewer flow.java. So here as you shown, this is the label, this is the text field and this is the button. Now here in flow layout, components are arranged from left side. Now let us change the variable how. Go to your program and here give the argument right. Save the program and compile. Run the program. So as you can see on the screen, components are arranged from right side. Now you can also use argument center. Now if you want to use the argument center, there is no need to give it, as flow layout dot center is the default value. So let us run the program. First compile it and then run it. So here as you can see, components are set from the center. Now here in flow layout, when the components are more enough to fill this first line, it will be arranged into the second line automatically. So this is all about the flow layout. Flow layout is the default layout and it is used in most of the programs. Thank you.